I like the little subwoofer there. And you press it in and it works. Wow. All right. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Very nice. What size amp hour batteries are these?
I think they're 110. They're just, I'm soon going to be turning to lithium.
Okay.
But for now, it's just AGM.
This is the 7K?
Yep, this is
wow, nice. Oh, all right. Yeah, I would love to hear it, man. Go this way? Other way? Hey. So that door is kind of sealed shut? Yep. All right. So you actually could drive it and put a seat in it, or is it just to be able to trail it?
Yeah, it's just for trailing, but it actually kind of worked out nice. I pretty much just sit here and drive it.
There you go. All right, man. I don't think it's that safe, but okay.
It's not very safe.
Yeah. Thanks for showing me, man. Your name's Brandon?
Brandon.
Brandon. Awesome, Brandon. Thank you very much. So Jake's old build, or old vehicle, yes. Nice. I like the little subwoofer there. And you press it in and it works. Wow. All right. Looks like you do some SPL tests.
Yeah, there's belt for that, but I more use it for just demoing.
Yes, sir. So could you tell me the equipment, like what all's in here, and tell me the box specs?
I'm not 100% sure on the box specs. This was originally built by JacobViral.
Okay.
So I just did a little bit of modifications to the dash and replaced the doors and threw my subs and amp in and the batteries. It's good. It's
wow. You actually epoxy. You sealed off.
Yeah.
Wow.
My favorite thing about it is it's really musical. A lot of bandwidth.
Yes, sir. All right. mid-20s? What frequency range?
Maybe low 20s to the teens.
Okay. Sorry.
It's 1999, nigga. St. Clair. Cleveland is the city where we come from. Bitch, y'all.
That's awesome.
No diss to G, cause G's know what's up with me. That's my nigga back from Puerto Rico. I'ma know him every nigga till I die, dog.
Anything.
Wow. So you actually could drive it and put a seat in it, or is it just to be able to trail it?
Yeah, it's just for trailing.